Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to fix the Battlefield 3 not launching issue. First, let's try the easiest fix. Find your Battlefield 3 shortcut, then right-click on it and choose Properties. Inside the window that opens, go to the Shortcut tab. Now click on the Advanced button. Here you'll see an option that says Run as Administrator. Tick that box, press OK, then click Apply and OK again. Running the game as administrator gives it the permissions it needs, and in many cases the game will launch normally after this change. If it still doesn't start, there's another step you can try. Open the folder location of your Battlefield 3 game. Look for a folder named Battlefield. Right-click on that folder and choose Rename. If the name includes TM in small letters at the end, change it to TM in capital letters instead. Press Enter to save the new name. Between running the game as administrator and renaming the Battlefield folder, one of these methods should fix the launch problem and let you get back into the game. Thanks for watching.